Okay, this is what you'll see when you open up the side panel on your motherboard. This is the fan that we're going to change. There's a little lever on the side of it. You will just flip that lever up and slide that out. Scoot it over a little bit, unhook it on the other side,
Rub your hand.
and lift it off. This will be the old fan. It'll be plugged into the motherboard either here or somewhere around this area, and it just pushes on. You'll pull that off. This is what you'll see. Then you'll set this right back on here, and you'll have to watch to make sure that it sets down smooth, and then you'll make sure this is pushed down and hooks over this little part right here. Sometimes they're a little bit difficult to get on. Now right there, it's hooked on. Then the same way over here,
Move your hand.
same way on this side. Make sure that pushes on there. When you get them both pushed on, just push that down. Plug this back in the same place you took the other one off. And that's all there is to changing it. That should hopefully take care of your problem. If not, we'll have to get a power supply and I'll have to come out to change
His
it.
naked doll is laying on the table. That's not Jim's.
Oops.
That's not Jim's, Billy.
But anyway, I'll get this in the mail to you today. Good luck. Hope this fixes it. If it don't, let me know. We'll make other arrangements.